Hi, my name is Gerald Marcus from the law offices of Gerald Marcus. Another question that new clients ask us is, how much is my case worth? The reality is there's absolutely no way to accurately predict the value of somebody's case right after the accident happened and right after they've been injured. The reason why is there's so many variables in evaluating the case. Number one, the subject of your personal injury case is your injury. And in order to prove your injury, we need to get all of the medical records and all the reports and all the bills so that we can evaluate the nature and extent of the injury. Typically, the more seriously injured somebody is, the more they're going to see a doctor, the longer they're going to be treating, and the more medical records and reports and bills we're going to have. The more we have typically suggests that someone is hurt more severely and the value goes up. If somebody treats with a doctor for a week or 2 weeks with a kind of a minor injury, then the case has much less value because there's less evidence that they were hurt, so to speak. So every case is different, and we can generally kind of get a sense based on what your complaints are preliminarily of the averages, but you never know how things might develop. Another factor in the evaluation is really your complaints, and it's kind of like the dentist chair syndrome, when you have a toothache and you complain about it all week, and then you go to your dentist and you sit in the dentist chair and you hear those drills, and the minute the dentist walks in and he says, "How's your tooth?" and you say, "Oh, what toothache? It doesn't hurt anymore." It's very similar in a personal injury case. You can be hurting with neck pain or headaches or back pain or some odd symptom, a radiating pain, and you know about it and you've told me about it. But if you don't tell the doctor about it, it won't be reported and recorded in his records, and he's not going to recommend treatment, and he probably won't give an accurate diagnosis because you're not really complaining about what your injury is. So the most important thing is that you go to the doctor and you complain about each and every injury and each and every symptom that you have, so that there's a good record, there's an accurate diagnosis, so that you get the best treatment possible and make the best recovery possible, and then ultimately we can put it all together in a demand letter and present it to the insurance company to maximize your recovery. Call me so that I can evaluate your case.